Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I found the perfect neutral curtains with a little bit of extra. That's what I was looking for. I needed some light neutral curtains for our fireplace room, but I couldn't just have plain colored curtains, and these were the perfect fit. They're by Yugo You Try, and they have gold foil designs all over them, and they are fun designs, but they still look very dignified. The grommets make it really easy to hang them and to slide them back and forth on the curtain rod. I really like how the texture is, it has a really nice flow to it, so it's easy to bend and manipulate. They're semi-sheer, like you saw my hand, they're not completely blackout curtains. I like that they let in enough light, but the room remains private if I want it to. Curtains are really high quality, they have a really nice linen texture to them, and the gold designs on them not only are super fun, but look really, really nice. Even up close, they're just really beautiful. So if you're looking for some nice neutral curtains for your house, but you need a little extra on those neutral curtains, I highly recommend these. They are so, so adorable. And that's my point of view.